Hi everybody, I'm going to explain your assignment this week. So this week you are doing an assignment called 5 Tricks to Remember Southern States, and then you also have another assignment called Cetera Daily Practice Ticket. So I'm going to explain the 5 tricks one first. So this one is due on Wednesday next week by the time your class meets. So 5A will be due at 10 a.m., 5B at 11:30, 5C at 1. Okay, so the goal of this assignment is to help you remember the locations of southern states in the U.S. Pick 5 of the 16 states we are studying this week and come up with a mnemonic device, there's our vocab word, in order to remember its location on the map. You have the option to watch the videos in the assignment to get ideas of tricks to help you, or you can be creative and think of your own. So, first thing you're going to do on this assignment is click on the Google form called 5 Tricks to Remember Southern States. Once you have picked your 5 tricks, you will type in the box where it says short answer text, 1, the name of the state you picked, and 2, how you will remember it. So here's some helpful videos and websites I've linked that you can watch if you're having trouble thinking of ways to remember the states. But once you have 5 ways to remember 5 of the states, you're going to write your name here. Here's a map so you can remember which region of the US we're studying right now, which states you can choose from. And then down here is where you'll write your 5 states, so your first state and how you remember it. So I'm not going to help you here because that is the assignment, but one we've talked about in the past if you're don't even know where to start. A mnemonic device helps you make a connection as a way to remember something else. So we've talked a lot in the past about how Florida looks like a backwards F. So I could choose that state and I could say Florida is my first state and I will remember it because the shape of Florida is in a backwards F. So that's one example. But if you're having trouble thinking of some on your own, if you're not so creative at this, that's okay. I have these videos and websites with lots of examples of different ways to remember. So watch these videos and look at these websites and you'll be able to do your homework. So your second assignment of the week, this is something you have to do every single day. So make sure you remember every day, pencil in time, you need to practice these states on Cetera. So in order to receive credit for doing the quiz, you must fill out this form. Submit every day after you complete the quiz with how long it took you and what percentage you scored. This is worth 10 points and I will grade it on Thursday next week. So first thing I'm going to do is click on the link to the game. Then I'm going to use my mnemonic devices to remember where the states are. So I can go through this. Actually, I'm not going to go through this whole thing, but basically everywhere where it's a lighter color green is the region that we're working on. And so once you've completed all 16 states, it will pop up with your score and the amount of time it took you to do it. So you're going to go back to the assignment, go to the form, write your name, the amount of time it took you, and what score you got. And you don't have to do amazing, it's a practice. So it's to see your improvement over the week. So if you start off, let's say it takes you 5 minutes and you got a 46%, that's fine. Just write that in so I know that you did it for that day. Then the next day you might remember a little bit more. You might get a 70% and only 3 minutes. So it's just to work on our improvement. You don't have to get 100% every time. So as always, if you have questions or need help, my office hours are 2 to 3 on Mondays and 11:45 to 12:45 on Thursdays. So if you want to do your homework with me or you have a question, just go to my Zoom. It's on our stream right here. It's at the bottom. I will put it back at the top after this video. But my office hours are right here. Zoom meeting link for 5A Social Studies in my Google Classroom. I should show you that. Right here on the bulletin board. All right, good luck everybody.